Welcome to Coca-Cola's technical analysis. Coca-Cola is at an inflection zone. Watch how price reacts at key levels. The stock gained 1.3% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is trading above all key exponential moving averages, indicating a strong and healthy long-term uptrend with solid short and mid-term momentum. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $72.71, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $74.38, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $83.41, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $65.99, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $64.65 and $66.41, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 5.5% from current levels before rebounding. In recent days, price has maintained strong upward momentum, staying above all trend indicators. Momentum is building, both MACD and RSI confirm the strength. A similar MACD cycle from January 14 to March 5 led to a price increase of approximately 13%. Long-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 68.4. Price is currently below the 38.2% retracement, which may act as near-term resistance. Short-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price broke above the short-term channel, signaling bullish momentum. If this breakout holds, a reasonable projection sits near 68.4. Price is currently below the 50% retracement, which may act as near-term resistance. Volatility is normal based on ATR, while trading volume is normal compared to recent averages. The RSI is above its smoothed version. Current RSI is 60.1, while smoothed RSI is 48.8. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Coca-Cola, scored 8 out of 10, a strong setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above all EMAs, long-term uptrend confirmed. Closest EMA is EMA 200 at $68.34, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $65.99 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A midterm target stands near $72.71, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $83.41. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $74.38. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $68.60, acting as resistance. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $67.07. Breakout above regression channel, target is around $70.25. Top news for Coca-Cola. News 1, Coca-Cola, KO, is about to report Q3 earnings tomorrow. Here's what to expect, via tip ranks, on 3 hours ago. News 2, Coca-Cola, KO, Q3 earnings report preview, what to look for, via Yahoo, on 5 hours ago. News 3, earnings week ahead, TSLA, KO, TNTC, NFLX, FGM, AAL, Love, PG, GE, MMM, CLF, AGNC, and more, via Seeking Alpha, on 20 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Coca-Cola. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.